replace this is a Mercedes GL airbags. This is the air suspension for the rear. So guys, you open all this, you take out the tire, you open these 17mm balls. Although guys, it's not important to do that. You can do the suspension change without removing all this right here. So it's not really mandatory guys, so it's not important. You can just do it without that, but I normally prefer it so guys you can have the space which you can see it from here, and then so that you can just navigate around it. Another thing guys, you have to make sure your car is jacked like all the way up, because the work which is going to happen guys, you have to make sure you're under the car so that you can be able to do that. So guys, the airbag line you're going to disconnect is just you have to do it from under here. So this is the lower side of the airbag. It has to come up from the top, and then that's guys the upper section of the airbag. So this airbag has gone bad. It's not really like raising the car. I don't know what's the problem with it. I guess we're gonna figure it out. So guys, right up here guys, that's the hose we're going to open to let out the air so that we can pull it out. So guys, to pull this thing out, we have to move out the sensor from the way. I'll show you in a moment. So this sensor has to come out for that airbag to come out from here. So guys, just pay attention to the work I'm just doing right now, and then I'll explain to you in a moment. Okay, this guys is when you want to change your suspension from the air to just regular. So you have to remove 3 bolts and then 1 nut. This is for the swivel link. You have to take out the shocks guys right here, and then you have to take 2 bolts for the lower control arm. That's on both sides, and then you can be able guys to replace your air suspension. So guys, you're going to use 10mm. So guys, this is a tight spot guys, so I'd like you guys just to take your time, and if you can get like a small tool, a 10mm, this really guys will be like what this really is gonna be like, make your work easier, because the spot is very tight. So you're gonna just be in here, just take your time, just open slowly. Yeah, at least now I'm kind of like getting this air coming out slowly. Just keep opening it. Alright guys, our hose is out, so just make sure the air drains out before we just we pull down. We have to pull down the airbag and then just compress it so that the air inside can go out, because it will go out through the hole we just the hose we just opened up. So you just pry it all in, and then you just make sure you squeeze it all the way so that at least you'll be able to see. So guys, something is just on our way, so that it doesn't allow us to just pull it out, and that is the ride height sensor, this one right here. So what you do guys, you take out the 10mm, and then you open this 10mm bolt holding the control arm, and then once this is out of the way guys, you just push it to the side, and then you'll have enough space to pull out the airbag. And then at the same time you have enough space guys to put in your airbag through here. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So just take your time. You open the 10mm bolt. Once it's out, we should be good to go. Okay guys, you just take the arm, you just pull it up, you just take it out of the way, make sure it goes like all the way, but don't push it so hard. And guys, we can take out the airbag. You take it from the top. Oh my god, this thing is leaking. Yeah, I guess this is why the bag was going bad. I think the fluids inside has leaked a little bit. So guys, I'll just pull it from here. It will just come straight up. It won't like give me a hard time. So guys, you can just put that aside, then you can get the new one. You can put it back up. But before guys you put the other one back, guys, make sure the top section, guys, like when you look up there, the plastic of the black thing right there, the guide, you have to pull that one out so that you have to replace it with a new one. Don't use it with the old one.